MeghalayaPost.news Daga jungang nur banwanra iki kampan roy bapher hai Bhoi district kabadairu kawai ki aspirational district ki borpnia district kar Bhoi menta ka singi kalai pautarik uya yong kilai soye ka memorandum of agreement MOA bat ka NTPC limited bongai gaun hakam ratri kamu deputy commissioner nongpoh kani ka Jingiasoi MOA padang ki borpnia district bat ka NTPC limited kalong ban pentri kam ya ki project ban penkhai ki STEM labs hakiar punyo tali ki Skul Sorkar hari Bhoi district daga jing temu ban kentiu ya ki jingnang jing stan jong ki samla puli hakabenta jong ka science and technology engineering but mathematics long baka jingi rapisa nagane project ka kod hadu shispa sau popra point san paulang kabuan ning ba ka corporate social responsibility CSR jong ka NTPC limited kani ka jingi trelang kalong shibenta ban penklanya ka puli puthi ban aila iki khna puli ban yo jingi kai ka bapaka hakibenta jong ka science but ki jingi te jingi dei jong ka technology hakani ka jingi lang bani soye ka MOA la sakhi lang do deputy commissioner kari Bhoi Abilash Barnwal IAS ringkat bat ki he no mikmat na ka NTPC limited haka jingi kran na kadau bagani ka project kan nong ka jingi rap ka bokra ban kan tiyo ka puli puthi hari Bhoi district bar ban plila ru iki samla puli bakinyo jingi kai ka bapaka bat ban ki shaprang haka jingnang jing start khamtam hai ki banta jong ka STEM.
As you rightly said, today we signed an MOU with NTPC Bongaigaon for setting up 27 STEM labs, science, technology, engineering and mathematics labs across 27 different schools of Bhoi. These will be secondary, higher secondary schools. Bhoi being an aspirational district, whenever we approach central government companies for any CSR help, especially in fields of health and education, they are more than responsive. We are very thankful to NTPC for generously agreeing to our proposal. We had sent a proposal for 55 schools, 55 STEM labs. In first phase, they have agreed for 27. Second phase will also come. And these schools have been selected on the basis of availability of infrastructure, on the basis of their current enrollment of secondary and higher secondary schools. And there is a requirement from NTPC that these schools have to be either government or government aided. So, yeah, based on these three criteria, we have selected 27 schools. Completed in 6 months. This is and the establishment of STEM labs is in line with the overall emphasis of the government of Meghalaya to encourage students to opt for science, mathematics, etc. The idea is that these streams will be helpful for children for better career opportunities as well. STEM labs will provide an opportunity to the STEM students to get a very hands-on experience on scientific and mathematical concepts. This will allow them an opportunity to go beyond their course books. And the idea of setting up STEM labs in secondary and higher secondary school is to encourage our students from Bhoi to opt in larger numbers for science-based courses, to increase their curiosity and interest in mathematics as well. This will only enable them to opt for STEM courses later, as well as will help them in competitive examinations as well.
MeghalayaPost.news